because we care about San Mateo County thriving. And the way that we do that is ensuring that the future of our students is being worked on now.
We couldn't do this alone. Your partnership, your guidance in helping us better prepare our youth for college and career and technical education is very valuable.
You cannot be what you do not see, and you cannot do what you do not know. And for me, that's important to articulate out loud. So folks from industry, you know what's out there, and you're bringing that here. And we're very grateful that you're doing so. Educators, thank you for leaning in the other direction and looking at your curriculum as a space for innovation and as a space where you can include others. And parents and students, thank you for pushing us, for giving us your aspirations, your motivations, and the reasons for being here.